Thank you very much. I'm so pleased to be here and presenting some little data from Pakistan just to let you know how we are doing in the STEM fields. What is? As you can see over here, that is Pakistan constitutes almost half of the population, but women are underutilized. Okay, so we are about half of the population, but women are underutilized talent in Pakistan, like many other countries, even in the Western countries. The status of Pakistan varies considerably across classes, regions, rural-urban divide due to the uneven socioeconomic development and the significant impact of tribal, feudal, and capital social formation of the women life. So they play a very important role, not to help women to go further. The Constitution of Pakistan gives equal right to men and women. However, in practice, women really stand at par with their male counterparts, which also reflects in STEM. Here I will give you a data from our recent data, which is available from different universities. And this is one of the topmost university, that is Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. And it will give you a status of gender diversity in the STEM. This is a simple literacy map, so you can get an idea that we have very diverse kind of education level. It starts from 20, it goes to 80. So I have taken one from the 80% education level, and then another example I have taken from 70%, and then third example I have taken again from the 70%. So I am representing three different universities data. One is General University, and the other one is Medical University, and then third one is the Engineering University. And then we'll see that how this is being translated into the workforce. So here we have the BS degree program. So you can see even in mathematics, they have a little low, but in all other students are doing fine. But then when we go from BS level to MS level, then we have other sciences we are doing fine, but in computer science, electronics, and geophysics, we have little lower ratio. Then when we go to the MPhil degree, then again, biological sciences, chemistry, it's fine, but again, the computer science, electronics, geophysics, and then physics, we have lower number. Earlier, we have more in physics, but here we have a little less in physics, the reason being, when we go to a MPhil level, so sometime it happens that, it's normally that female student, they get married, then they have to leave the job. They have to start their new life, so that's why they go. There is a little lower percentage. As far as the PhD is concerned, again, here we have less number in chemistry as compared to earlier degree program. Same situation in the computer science, electronics, geophysics. Again, pharmacy, we have a number of percentages, and the percentages has gone down. Same is in the physics. Here we have a specific example from the university, engineering university. If we have different specific programs. And if you look here, again, electrical engineering, computer sciences, civil engineering, we have less number. Similarly, in the engineering management, we have less number. And then when we talk about MPhil, then we don't have really MPhil student. MPhil degrees between the MSc and PhD. So if you talk about the MPhil degree, then we have MPhil in chemistry and mathematics and physics having the female students, but they are not engineering degree. It is like science degree. And if you go to the PhD, we have only 10 PhDs as compared to the male 90. But then again, they are not in computer science. They are mostly in computer sciences, not in the engineering field. So it is that female all over the world, you have seen like in these 2 days also, that biological sciences or medical sciences is more common for the female as compared to the rest of the. Then here we have the next one. PhD, here we have the gender-wise, and then we have also the discipline-wise, but I don't have that different in female and male partition. We have two different kinds of degree. One, it is the government of Pakistan, they provide the scholarship to the students to go on the competitive basis. And one, they can get the degree from any other country outside the Pakistan. And then next, they get the degree from the Pakistan. So we have one indigenous, another is the foreign. So if you look who are the total percentage, so 83 as compared to the female, male we have 83, and then in female we have only 16.8%. As far as fourth letter is concerned, when we have that is STEM, the last one, no, it is fifth one rather, is concerned according to the top medical university data, which is Dow Medical University in Karachi. We have 70% women enrollment as compared to male 30%. But thus women now make up the vast majority of the students studying medicine. A gradual change that comes about after a quota favoring male admittance into medical college was lifted in 1991. So we are getting more female over there. But this majority does not translate into workforce as doctor registered with the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. Only 44% are female, and the percentage of female specialists even smaller than what we have there. It is only 27%. Now, in terms of the employment, according to the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics Employment Trends Report, that is 2011, female participation in the workforce has increased from 16.3 to 24.4, but still you don't see very good implementation of this. So percentage of the female faculty, if we talk about. So here we can see again the natural sciences, we have more as compared to the medical sciences, and then from medical sciences you can go to engineering sciences. This is how we can move. And then we have the agriculture sciences, rest of the one social sciences and the humanities. So mostly they are in the natural sciences, and as compared to the natural and then the medical sciences, we have less number in the engineering sciences. So though the women constitute less percentage with compared to their male counterpart in a STEM field, but we have one positive point. The positive point is that Pakistani women scientists, engineers, or medical doctors who want to go into the job and who want to continue their job in a long term, in general, they do not face any conscious discrimination in terms of salary, facilities, study leave, and then promotion, etc. So at least this is a good part for the females. Government with the strong political will has the capacity to take care of the gender diversity in STEM and advanced gender innovation. This may be supplemented and complemented by the universities, institutes, NGOs, and different women organizations. That is how we can be able to take care of this gender diversity, or in other words, we can say gender gap. So I would like to say thank over here. I think it was in time.